Okay.
With this one.
You say hi?
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3. What's your name?
I'm Jasmine.
Jasmine?
Yeah.
Come here.
I'm trying to smell the flowers.
You like the flowers?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a UPS truck.
Hmm?
It's a UPS truck. Come here. Come here, let me see your face. No, stop posing for a sec. Stop with the posing. Close your eyes. Oh, you are so pretty. Can I see your earring? Don't move.
There's mine.
Oh, look how pretty. Do you have any puppies?
No.
You don't? Do you have any doggies?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Minnie.
No, that's Joey's doggie.
Yeah.
Your dog's named Lucky.
Yeah.
Do you like Lucky?
Yeah.
You want me to let Lucky out?